Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we in Junction City for function for Junction car show, and they have gonna have a lot of beautiful car, and also they have cruising tonight too. So hope you guys like my video tonight, and don't forget to like and subscribe and comment. Yeah, always welcome for advice. And anyway, enjoy the video guys. Bye. Wow, that's a beautiful green. That's beautiful red. That's beautiful.
That's nice.
Yeah. I forgot what the button to put the picture right here.
If you want to do the picture, just click it twice.
Oh.
Click.
Yeah.
I like it so far.
Yeah, I
Get
get
used to it.
These are beautiful patina. Some of the area at least.
Yeah, they had to in order to get them to go over the shop counter. Why they? Because there's different instructions on the side.
Is that the same one we have?
That's the same thing we've got.
Yeah.
Except that this is a 32 probably.
Yeah, that's heavy.
Yeah, it's a 32.
And that's heavy.
Yeah. Yeah, and it's a full.
Do you find the fair lane yet?
Yeah, newer one.
Yeah, it looks like we had to, but it did leave that rather blue. There's the casting, and there's like two little green.
So we found the fair lane, but the newer one. What year this one?
65 maybe?
Oh, really?
67? Yeah, it's got the gauges in the same spot there. I like it. Hold them with Right. It was pretty cool.
Wow, that's cool. That was, huh?
That's how they did it. Back then, they didn't have fun doing it. Didn't cost you a whole lot of money.
Wow, that's cool.
I'm trying to find you guys before I leave.
Well, that's clean. Look at that, no wiring anywhere.
Mm-hmm. Wooden bed.
Fury 3. My sister had a red one. Fury.
Yeah.
I think it was a 4-door too. I want to change the gears, but then it would suck. Suck gas and run through. I thought about it.
This reminds me of that movie. What is that movie?
Graffiti?
Yeah.
Except the guy had a black one.
I thought they have yellow one too.
No, that was a yellow one way.
Oh. Beautiful, wow.
Nice.
They cover them. I mean, can
Walk up there and then come back down the other side.
Thank you. GTO is beautiful too.
show you too. Beautiful.
We did them ourselves.
That's beautiful.
You guys had a sweet family. Love you so much. You're welcome.
This kind of nice, the kind of set color like that, honey. They're not shiny.
Matte finish.
The patina is pretty nice. You don't need the little finger like mine to help you? I said you don't need the little finger to help you. Look at that, beautiful. And look at this, nice. We go, honey, this way and then you come back, right?
What's your first name again?
Chad.
Did you find one? Where? Right there? We tried to find the fair lane. Can't find any yet.
No, it's a Ford. I think it's a 390.
Oh, that's a
probably.
nice. There's a lot of stuff going on.
65 because we even do the front end and wings. But it's a 4-door.
Oh, the shelf.
It's a 4-door though.
Yeah, this is about the same gauge. That's where we put those.
Yeah, we don't have that kind of speedometer. Okay.
That is beautiful. Oh, that's cool.
So this would be the same. Yeah, see, they don't have any. This is exactly why they had the cast iron header on the arm.
Can I walk before you?
This is nice.
Wow, very clean. Where all the wire, honey?
They got them hidden nicely. Oh, that's my favorite body style of short Ford. So that's the step side though. The short wide version of that
Yeah.
is my favorite.
So you're doing Apache style?
Yeah,
I like that.
that's nice ride.
Wow. Maybe they put the fair lane out of place.
In the fair lane section.
Maybe.
Main go wrong.
Niềm ngon.
It's got a cool GMC.
Once we take our wires and bundle them all up and tape them, it'll look fine.
Wait.
charge that much, but I do like 65,000.
Oh yeah, he converted to E85 and had it redone.
Turn around, good.
Wow, that's beautiful.
We'll do good out. In fact, maybe when I go to do that,
Hi, bud. How are you?
Not bad.
Okay, looking good. Nice job. Nice job.
Well, thank you.
Congratulations!
I like it. We're playing for almost 40 years.
Let him sleep. That poor kid. Yeah, probably. She gets super excited. But she's a cute little.
That's kind of cool, the white one over there.
I like this one. I like this.
Yeah, this is a nice one.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Look at that.
All of the controls are factory controls, but control all late model equipment. All the AC, everything is done through those knobs. That isn't just a phone call and order it. Great deal of thought behind the car, and they did not alter the floor pan or anything on it. This is a unibody car. They moved the motor forward so the floor could not be altered. It's very impressive. All the trim on the car has been altered from either 63, 64, and it's fantastic. So Todd, nice job, well done. Shut that baby off, come get some hardware.
Look at that. Okay, that's cool.
That's beautiful.
Hey, thank you guys for coming out and bringing your cars out. It's a really tough job doing the judging here, and the show wouldn't be what it is without you guys coming out here. Just so you know, Best of Show and Presidents Awards, that's what's going on the t-shirt. There's your t-shirt for next year. Thank you guys again. Really appreciate it.
Wow, that's beautiful.